Okay, this is Suzanne Sabanis for EDCI 538, and this is my Moodle course. And this is my homepage for the Moodle, and I am going to go to the professional development training. I'm going to log in as a student. Username I have is Ashlyn. Password is Southwest, capital S, number 1, exclamation point. And here is my Moodle course. I did mine on the program Kidspiration. It is a graphic organizer program for grades pre-K or K through grade 5. It helps them put their ideas and brainstorming into graphic organizers and make stories, or it actually works through all subject areas: math, science, reading, writing, social studies. I started out with a Kidspiration pre-assessment, and I did that through Google Docs. And here is the form. My first one, I gave a background onto what Kidspiration is. It is a spinoff of the program Inspiration. And I gave a link to the webpage. On this webpage, which I find very nice, is you can come right over here and play these nice videos, and it will give an explanation of what Kidspiration actually is. Next, I have a link to a YouTube video done by the Inspiration makers onto what Kidspiration
is the visual way to explore and understand words, numbers, and concepts.
And then my last one, I have my own video that I made on what to expect if you were to purchase Kidspiration.
Okay, I'm going to give you a little overview of...
And I just take you through the website and the options that it gives you for purchasing Kidspiration. The next one is actually the first assignment that I have, and what I do is I go through, have a video, and show how you can make a short story using Kidspiration.
Okay, I am going to create a short story, 1 to 2 sentences, about myself, and
I followed that up with my first assignment and having them create their own short story about themselves. The next one is how to use the Kidspiration for a science lesson. And this goes through using one of the pre-made activities that Kidspiration gives.
Okay, I am to show you a science activity using one of their pre-made activities.
The next one is my simple graphic organizer. Since Kidspiration is based off of graphic organizers, I touched base on this and made it very simple. using just pictures since I am grade K through grade 3.
Okay, I am going to do a main bubble, main idea. Or to this picture's over.
And I did turn that into a JPEG, or I'm sorry, that followed my second assignment, which was to have them create their own graphic organizer using whatever topic they would like, but have it strictly pictures. One of the nice things that Kidspiration does is you can turn any of your graphic organizers or even your story into a JPEG or a picture file. And I show that, how to do that.
Okay, in this one I am going to show you how to save your graphic.
And I follow that up with 2 examples of JPEG files of graphic organizers. I have one that is mighty complex that I have done about the solar system, and one that I did just creating my weather graphic organizer. And that is my third assignment, is for them to take their graphic organizer that they created from the previous assignment, or they can create a new one and convert it into a picture file. And lastly, I have my post-assessment, which I once again created through Google Docs. And here that is. And then I did a evaluation of this entire module, which I created through SurveyMonkey. And that is my professional development training module for Kidspiration.